Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be ranking characters I can beat or not beat. Starting off with, I don't know what that is, so I'm going to put that in Eternal Suffering. Magikarp, I'd beat. Hold up, relax Magikarp. Where's the Magikarp? Hold on. Just go back to where I found it. Okay. Magikarp. Easy. Oh. Easy, I'd say. Unless he evolves just randomly. I don't know his name, but I know he's from Pixel Gun 3D. Yeah, I'm losing. I would put up a good fight though, so. I'm gone from you. Bro, that's all William Afton, bro. I'm not coming back. Yeah, I don't know who this is, so. Can I add it to you? Yeah, I don't know who that is. The Wither skill. The Wither. If I had some stuff out to, if I had stuff, I'll just put myself right here. Yeah, I'll play myself hard, but I'll still win. No, 50-50. If I have my gear on, I'll be good. The guy from Assassin's Creed. I don't know his name. I've played the game, so. Just gonna try to call an alliance. Might be the character who's got it. I don't know. I'm just gonna put it right here. Creeper. I'd beat Creeper. Bro, where is this Creeper? Yeah, I think I'd beat a Creeper if I had my sword. Light work. I don't know who that is, so I'm just gonna put it here. Bro, Kratos? Why is Magikarp in here twice? Where's Magikarp? Yeah, we'll just keep him here. Kratos, no. Yeah, I'm gone from existence, bro. I don't think Kratos will be William Afton Sunderman. I don't know who that is. There's one South Park though. Don't know who that is, so I'm just gonna do that. Looks like Pixel Gun 3D. Oh. Yep, Turtle Surfer. Turtle Surfer. You picked the wrong elf, fool. Chill, Scarlet. Call an alliance. Because he's a kid and I'm a kid. I think I'm gone. What is that thing, bro? Yeah, just by the look of that, and Turtle Surfer. Kratos is open. Let's play Doctor. I don't know. I think I'd lose though. I'll put it in front of. Kratos' son, I think. I'm gonna put him right here. Get the code. Yeah, I'd lose. Don't know who that is, so I'm just gonna put him here. Mario, yeah. Oh. 50-50. Nah, it'll be hard, but also one. Kirby and Turtle. I'm putting Kirby in front of, what's it called, Kratos. I don't know what this is, but they look buff. Put them in there. Roblox Noob and Turtle Suffering. Origin. Don't know, so I'm just gonna put them here. Sonic, I'm losing. I think this is Pokemon. I don't know what Pokemon it is. I'm losing. Calling a lance with Steve, you know? Steve. Make sure my microphone's on. Oh yeah, I beat you. Easy diff. Light work. Light work. Light work. I don't know what that is. So I'm just gonna put them here. God, those. Okay. This is our tier list. I downloaded Opera GX, okay? Okay, bye guys.